What's up, guys? It's that time of the week. Let's take a look at how the market moved on Friday. Up huge. 90% of stocks were rallying based on Fed Chair Jerome Powell's keynote speech that came out moderately dovish. Going into this speech, I thought it was very possible that Powell could come out hawkish, but in fact, he was moderately dovish, which the market went bananas off of. This key statement that he made, the shifting balance of risk may warrant adjusting our policy stance, is alluding to the fact that there may be a need to cut interest rates in the next upcoming Fed meeting. Take a look here at what happened with the major indices on Friday. Stocks up huge. The Dow leading the way up 800 points, the NASDAQ a strong second, and the Russell was up over 3%. And with that, the dividend portfolio is, of course, at a fresh all-time high. I'm sitting actually 12.5% cash. I did add to a couple positions after trimming major ones in Target and Nike. And those stocks would be Alibaba, Novo Nordisk, Qualcomm, and Merck & Co. As you can see, the Fear and Greed Index entered the greed category after Friday's big rally, which is not surprising, and I think it's not concerning as of yet. It is a bullish momentum, and probably for good reason. The biggest component of the SPY, NVDA, and one of the largest holdings in my growth portfolio reports next Wednesday, so that will be a key mover of the market, and to see where the market's appetite is for huge CapEx spending for their invaluable AI chips. Other things to watch are the rotation play. Will the market rotate back into tech after risk may be on? After the Fed signaling that they're more likely to cut interest rates in September, will that money flow back into tech companies or even junk stocks? We could see the market heat up and then again run into that wall of low liquidity and seasonality that we see in September and October, which is historically the worst performing months of the stock market on average. As for me, I feel comfortable with that 12.5% cash position going into these low liquidity months. I will be looking for any value stocks or value plays to hit the screener. As of right now, I'm being patient and I'm not seeing a whole lot. I feel good with how much I have invested, and let's ride.